Top 10 Turkish desserts. Let's see. Loco. Loca. Number 10. Flistiklili balava. Flistiklili balava, number 6. Very good. Tululumbu Tbilisi. Tululumbu Tbilisi, number 2. I know. Number 2. Civizlisli Sanjok. Number 8. Let's see. Cengril Birlici. Number 9. Very good. Kakashvili. Number 7. I know. Let's see. Hishivili Ravioli. Number 4. Very good. Shakespeare. Number 1, of course. William Shakespeare. Loco, loca. Number 5. Șocolala baklava.